Tethering your camera gives you some major advantages with your studio and location photography. In this video, I'll walk you through everything that you need to know to tether your Alpha series cameras using Sony's Imaging Edge software. To get started, open a browser tab and head over to imagingedge.sony.net. You'll want to download the Imaging Edge software for whichever operating system that you're using. Once you've completed the installation, open the software and start the application titled Remote. Now, depending on your specific model of camera, there are some settings that you'll want to adjust in order to get that tethering to work properly. We'll add a link in the description of this video that has some instructions to help you out. At this point, you're going to want to connect your camera to your computer using the appropriate USB connection. I've got the Alpha 7R4 with me, which has a USB-C connection, so I'm going to use a USB-C to USB-C cable to connect to my MacBook Pro. Once you've done this, you should see your camera model listed in the remote software. Double-click on it to begin tethering. Within the main panel, you can actually see what your camera sees, which is really helpful for things like tabletop photography. You could also make adjustments to your camera settings remotely, just like you would if you were adjusting them on the camera body itself. And you could even use the software to fire your camera shutter to take a photo, or you could start and stop a video recording. Once you begin taking images, the viewer software opens up and allows you to review and rate your images, and finally open them up in the edit software to make adjustments to your images. I love tethering during my own photo shoots for a number of reasons. First, if you have people that you're collaborating with during your shoots, you could take images as you normally would and send those images over to your computer for those people to review them. It also saves you a step later on where you have to import all of your images from your SD card to your computer. When you're tethering, every image that you're taking while you're connected will automatically be saved on your computer. Having the opportunity to view your images on a larger screen could also help you to spot any potential issues while you're still shooting. Best of all, the software is free, so if you're using a Sony camera, download it today and take it for a spin. If you have any questions about it, let us know in the comment section below. And while you're there, be sure to subscribe to our channel as we have new videos coming out all the time. Now, if you want to learn more about studio photography, check out the video that you see here on the screen. See you there.